Good morning, welcome back to the channel, and today we're not working on the Volvo. I'll take you around and I'll show you what we're working on today. It's the Corsa, and I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter, because I don't think this one's been done in quite a long time, so worth a go. So here we go, the Vauxhall Corsa D 2011, and we're going to do the cabin filter. So first of all, it is located in the passenger side, and what we need to do is take the glove box out, then we can get inside and get the old one out. And to take this one out, you've got Torx, you've got two at the bottom and two inside. So if we open the glove box up, it's my wife and daughter's car, you can see, because of all the rubbish. And let's work out which size torque. That's a good guess. So if you want to do this yourself, it's a TX20 that we're going for. One, two, and then two at the bottom. See, it just comes apart. Now the only thing, I'm just going to show you this bit, because this caught me out quite a few years ago. You'll see there's this panel here which does actually hold it in. What you do is you peel it away, as you hopefully saw me do there, and that should give us access underneath to where it's held. You're going to have to bear with me, we're going to get a bit wobbly now. Going underneath here, and you can see this is the base of it, and you go up and it clips at the top. Now if I follow this up, it now comes back to me, and it reminds me the one on my wife's car has actually been damaged for some time, so actually no wonder it doesn't demist very well, because the cover is completely off, so air will just constantly escape. So I think we need to take that out and work out how to repair it. See, you just pull the tab and it should then unclip from the top. But if I remember rightly, yep, this has had me in before, duct taped, and the top is damaged. So we're going to have to work out how to repair that. There we go. That looks in pretty manky condition, so just to note for later, airflow goes that way. You can see it's on like that, and if I look underneath, so it goes from the cabin towards the engine. So what I've done is I've had a look, so this is the end that's okay. You can see that's the main end that clips in. Then you follow it along, and what's supposed to be at this end, which you can see I've done some bodgery, is a hook. That hook fits over the top, goes down, and then you clip it in at the bottom. So what I've done is I've super glued this piece on. Doesn't feel particularly strong So whether that's going to work or not, I'm not quite sure. I think I'm going to try a test fitting. If not, I'm going to see if I can get that as a replacement. Let's try a test fitting. So it goes up there like that, and then it hooks in at the top, and then should clip at the bottom. Like that. That works. And actually, that's relatively strong. So I think we might go with putting the new filter in. Here's our lovely new air filter. Nice and clean. Let's have a look. Direction. Airflow that way. So towards the front of the car. Now the hard part is kind of concertinaing it in. In it goes, and then you just push, slide it in, try and slide the top and the bottom at the same time so it doesn't crush into place. There we go, that feels quite loose. And then let's try a repaired cover. See if it's going to hold in place. That's not clipping in this time. And what I suspect is happening is that it's the air filter pushing against it, because there's a little bit of force. Yeah, and it's just coming straight back off. I don't think my bodge is going to work. Actually, typically off camera, one more go and it's holding. And it feels pretty secure. So I'm going to call that a fix for now. I have looked one up. You can get one for around about £20 online. So what I might do is give this a few days, see if it's holding and working. If not, then order one as a replacement part just on eBay. So there we go. Just in case you need it, there's the part code. I'll put a link down the bottom. And now it's just a matter of clipping this back in. Remember, it's easier to put this side in first. Kind of hook it round like that. Then there's the rubber trim down the door, just like so. Push that into place. And let's get the top two in. So it's being held with our Torx. It's tight. There's that one. Just clip it shut. And there you go. A simple little fix today on the Vauxhall Corsa. Got some more stuff coming up on the channel very shortly. A few car fixes for pretty much all three cars, so they'll be coming very soon indeed. Thank you for watching. Please put a like if you liked this video. Remember to say subscribed for future videos. Goodbye.